if you're experiencing payout issues on Teepublic. Follow these steps to quickly resolve them. This guide will help you identify and fix common problems. Step 1. Check your payment information. Ensure that your payment details are correctly entered in your Teepublic account. Go to the payment settings and verify that your bank account or PayPal information is accurate and up to date. Step 2. Review your earnings. Log into your Teepublic account and check your earnings dashboard. Make sure that you have met the minimum payout threshold and that there are no pending payments that could delay your payout. Step 3. Confirm tax information. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Contact customer support. If you've checked your information and still face issues, reach out to Teepublic's customer support. Provide them with detailed information about your payout problem for quicker resolution. Step 5. Monitor your email. After contacting support, keep an eye on your email for any responses or requests for additional information. Promptly reply to any inquiries to expedite the resolution process. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any payout issues on Teepublic efficiently. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the community forums for additional support.